Factor x to the 6th minus 9x to the 3rd plus 8. You might be looking at that and saying, that looks quadratic. You're absolutely right. It does. See how that's x to the 6th and that's x to the 3rd? We could just say, let's let x to the 3rd be the same as, I don't know, a. And once I do that, we can turn u into a squared minus 9a plus 8. And now it looks quadratic. And our job here is to come up with two numbers that add up to -9 and multiply out to +8. Okay, now when I do that, two numbers that add up to a negative and multiply out to a positive are going to be a negative and a negative. And if I do 8 and 1, I'm in great shape. This is going to be fun. You'll see why. Now, A and A, I've completed this part. However, I'm not done yet because A is not in the original problem. We let A equal x cubed. So this is x cubed minus 8, and this is x cubed minus 1. Now, if you're looking at your work and you're happy and you're proud, good. And if you circle it, though, bad, because I have news for you. You're not done yet. This is difference of cubes. So x cubed minus 2 cubed and x cubed minus 1 cubed. We're not done yet. Both of these are difference of cubes, which means we're going to have parentheses, bigger parentheses, parentheses, bigger parentheses. So let's write up here what our difference of cubes formula is. All right, so let's change colors. The difference of cubes formula is if I give you something like a cubed minus b cubed, that's going to end up being a minus b times the quantity a squared plus ab minus, plus b squared, close one, plus b squared. So this first one, all right, let's do in blue. You would be my a, you would be my b. So you're going to be x minus 2 times the quantity x squared plus x times 2 plus 2 squared. Now we'll clean that up in a little bit. Okay, the second group of parentheses, you would be my a, you would be my b, is going to be a minus b, so x minus 1 times the quantity a squared, so that's going to be x squared plus ab, so x times 1, plus b squared, which is 1 squared. Okay, so looking at it one parentheses at a time, I don't have to clean you up too much. X minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4, x minus 1, x squared plus 1x plus 1. Lots and lots and lots of factoring. Who would have thought that that actually factors out to that? Isn't that pretty?